Sticking with the falling theme, I went back to the archives and found this unposted review. Do you remember when this happened? I sure wish that there was something that I could have done to reverse that situation. Oh look, there it is. I bought something. The AmazerBath Bath Mat. Bath oils may reduce bath mat safety. Please be sure to use all safety precautions when entering and exiting the tub. This mat is designed to help prevent slipping, but the effectiveness of the mat depends on your use and care. The reason I ordered this one is because it said that it was easy to clean and that it also had a lot of holes in it for the water to drain through. They had a multitude of colors, but I chose an opaque gray. I'm going to unwrap it and see what the instructions say. It should be pretty obvious. First impressions. It smells a little bit, I'll be honest. That is one reason. Oh man, why is my nose itching? It does have an odor. I may need to wash it well before I install it because the off-gassing is real and I don't handle off-gassing real well. There are a bunch of suction cups on the back, along with holes in between. Big dot, suction cup. Press firmly against the mat surface with your hands by kneeling outside the tub on a clean surface. This is going to be a little difficult for me because of the size of the tub. So the instruction suggests that this should be put down every single time I want to use a tub, and after each use, pull it out, rinse it off, and let it hang. I guess I'll give it a go. As you see, I had a problem getting in the tub and having my foot land on the mat. So my husband came in here and problem solved for me. Yay! First, it might be a touch too long. But second, I'm not going to be able to get my foot on it to step in that way.
I thought a listener fix.
How can you fix?
What is the end goal?
So that I don't fall when I'm getting in the tub like I've done several times.
What if we turn it this way? Trim it. That way it goes all the way across, get your foot on. Even though it doesn't go this way, you won't be sitting on it. Well, you may still be sitting on it.
Okay, well it could help actually, because if that's uncomfortable to sit on,
Right.
which I have a feeling it will be, I feel like I'm stomping grapes. We're going to put it this way and give it a go. I'm going to run some water in it and see if it will stay put. That will be my test. He's probably going to cut the excess off so that it is just that size. It is what it is. I'm hoping that this will give me more stability so that I don't fall as often as I've been doing. It took an injury for me to do something about it. This is what hurts so bad. It comes from here and goes around, and it's doing better today. It really hurts if I rub it up against something, including my hand. Shaving was a nightmare. Test 2, is it sturdy? I think as long as I go and make sure that that they're stuck like I did with my feet, and then make sure the edge is solid, that when I step in with my hand on the vanity, it will be good. And then I can sit down here. Yeah, standing on it is pretty comfortable actually. It doesn't feel slick. That's all she wrote. I think that it will keep me from slipping when we alter it the way it needs to be altered for this tub, which ironically is cutting it down in size so that it fits width-wise instead of length-wise. Rinse the mat every time you use it. Machine wash available. Clean with mild detergent. Hang air dry. Do not use a dryer or radiator. Let's get rid of this. The word gassing is in the name. I kind of like that idea.
You